Okay, I'm just using this to review a few things. We're going to start wrapping up this photographic practices module, and this is what I want you to do. We will have tutorials for this. I'm just going to bring this up here, so I'm going to paste this in. So I'm going to ask you to kind of collate it and make it accessible. So one of the things to do is to take an image from these activities. We're still lingering on this one. Um, so an image that you've done for these as the minimum, and then put that into a Google Slides file, and then attach it to your assessment journal space, which is, just let me show you, if I just go back here, so photographic practices, research journal, let's just click that, and then you can find yourself here, and then attach it to this space. So just add that there, and then what I'm going to start doing is, let's say here, we've got Adam. I'm going to start adding formative feedback here. So blah 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 blah. This is, highlight this in the tutorial, but this is where your feedback is going to be. It's going to suggest things you can do for improvement, and I'm going to tie that back to the assignment. So that's that bit there. Let's close you down. So you can start by, you should have something for each of these. That goes into the slideshow. Then in the journal there should be evidence for all of these as well. So if we look here, the journal should contain descriptions of the various genres. Well, basically that is the research that went with the tasks. So you have to do a little bit of research for each of these and then put some annotations in. Theoretical is where you document anything where we encounter a little bit of theory. It's not much with this, but little bits of theory need to just pop in throughout that. Document practical techniques, and again annotate it. So what have you learned technically? Anything about shadow, anything about setting a light up, anything about Photoshop. So make sure there's practical things in there, and that shows your development and understanding of that aspect of photography. We have done a lot in this class, a lot of little seminars, little tutorials, workshops. So look through the stream. Whoa, wrong one, Dave. Look through the stream. What does Dave mean? He means this. So if I go here, I'll go, oh, we did something on InDesign. I could put that in. Did I do it? So it's not like that's essential, but if you do that and put that in, it's going to be better for your grade. Going down here, that's just something to read. What is this? FSA. So have a look at this. For the documentary work, did you do anything on this FSA? Did you come in for that session? If you did and you watched this video, put that in the journal. And again, going down, shoot from the hip. Did you watch these videos and make comments on them? So it's about finding the evidence and showing me the evidence and where that is. And regular reflections is that on a regular basis you use that journal to do ongoing evaluations. But what I've included here is this could be a way of tidying it up. At the end you've got a 500-word evaluation. So you look at all these mini briefs you've done, you look at the quality of the work you've done, and you evaluate how you believe you've done throughout that module and on those tasks. Simples. So let's just get that one closed. So it were tutorials on Wednesday, starting Wednesday, and it will be about seeing where this work is, looking at it and getting an idea on what that's worth